Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Aprisha Ikahandani and my presence number is 27. Here I would like to explain the follow-up material from my previous friend, which is about highlighting collocation in spoken text. Alright, first up we need to know what collocation is. Do you know what collocation is? Yeah, you are truly right. Collocation is a pair or group of words that are often used together. Well, this is the first part of the spoken text. As we can see, I have highlighted some of the collocations with color, so you can easily find which collocation are in this text. The collocation section, such as really hard, parallel reality, word of plenty, project of my life, set out, find a theme, and dream big. Okay, this is the second part of the spoken text. In the spoken text, there are some collocations such as roots of inequality, low social mobility, study of the reasons, violent organizations, chronic malnutrition, common denominator, lack of access, and quality education. Alright, the following sentences are the use of collocation in spoken text. The first collocation is really hard. The definition is used to emphasize what you are saying about a difficult situation. For example, it's really hard to trust drug users not to be dependent on narcotic substances. And the second collocation is parallel reality. The definition is perform multiple operations simultaneously according to the facts. For example, an unusual aspect of this structure is the existence of a parallel reality known as the dream world. And the next collocation is word of plenty. The definition is a bunch of countries galore. And for example, we are indoctrinated to believe that Indonesia has natural wealth and even a statement that the word of plenty. The next collocation is project of my life. The definition is a work that involves events and experiences that happen to people in general. For example, the project of my life document deals with commitments based on the human aspect. And the next collocation is set out. The definition is to start a journey. For example, she set out on the road to stardom too early in life. And the next collocation is find a theme. The definition is to discover a group of people who work together. For example, to improve the quality of work is to find a team that has the same vision and mission. And the next collocation is dream big, and the definition is very enthusiastic or serious about the best things you can imagine. For example, everyone should dream big and aspire to great achievements. And the next collocation is roots of inequality. The definition is the background of a situation in which people are not equal because some groups have more opportunities. For example, he proposed a new system designed to remove the roots of inequality in healthcare. And the next collocation is low social mobility. The definition is small level of social class related to the ability to move in society. For example, the capacity of a high economic position is not tied to low social mobility. And the next collocation is study the reasons. The definition is the process of learning about a problem based on reasonable way of behaving. For example, study the reasons to improve self-qualification in various sectors. And the next collocation is violent organizations. The definition is actions and planning process to manage something painful and difficult to control. For example, there is no place for a violent organization for a group of terrorists or extremists. And the next collocation is chronic malnutrition. The definition is medical conditions that lead to weakness or even difficult to cure. For example, the child survives at risk of permanent impairment due to chronic malnutrition. And the next collocation is common denominator. The definition is features that everyone or everything in a particular group. For example, the lesson syllabus seems to be aimed at the lowest common denominator. The next collocation is lack of access. The definition is a situation where you don't have enough rights to view information. For example, lack of access results in the inhibition of the perspective of normal language development by educators. And the last collocation is quality education. The definition is teaching activities based on certain subject with high standard. For example, this initiative was undertaken to make quality education accessible to all students. Alright, the next material will be delivered by our sister Raul. The time is yours.